Australia is home to the Great Barrier Reef. The reef is a home to many types of fish, and Rockhampton, Australia is a small town bordering the Great Barrier Reef. The reef is beginning to bleach and lose its ability to retain life and create a suitable environment for fish of many different species. The bleaching is due to a long-term exposure to the heat of the sun, and the bleaching is a sign of coral death. The coral has the ability to come back if the heat's reduced, but some corals in the reef are already too far gone. More coral is on the way, and as Australia continues to receive increased heat records, the bleaching is inevitable. The coral death has a massive impact on fish biodiversity. This fish impact can really harm the entire ecosystem in unforeseen ways. Many species die off, and this can hurt the economy of Rockhampton in two ways. Rockhampton is home to a small airport, and many flights here are to come see the fish and the coral through scuba diving and diving. And as the corals continue to die off, the desire of tourists to come to the area will diminish. In addition, the economy will be harmed as fishing will be more difficult. The only solution is for the world as a whole lessening their CO2 emissions at a more rapid rate than currently they're able to do.